Okay, last but not least, we have example number 3 to finish off dependent events for Math 7. So the following letter tiles are placed in a bag. You randomly draw 2 tiles without replacement. Without replacement, immediately telling me that this is a dependent event. Letter tiles, we're talking about like Scrabble tiles, like little tiles that have letters on them, right? And I will say the first thing you should do is count those letter tiles, because at least 2 humans counted wrong on their quiz and lost points because they didn't count the spinner spaces correctly. All right, so part A. What is the probability of picking an M and an I? So again, 2 events, 2 fractions. So the probability of picking an M. Well, there's 1 M out of 8 total, so that would be 1/8. And tells me I need to be doing multiplication. The probability of an I, there are 2 I's out of no longer 8 total because we did not replace that first M that I drew. So that's 2 out of 7 total now. Again, didn't replace. So multiply, tops times tops, bottoms times bottoms, and you're left with 2/56. Which can be reduced, but you don't have to because the directions didn't say to. So now part B here, what is the probability of getting an S or an M and a U? You might think that this is 3 events here, but it's actually not. This is only 2 events. And that's because of that key word of or. Getting an S or an M is 1 event, and getting a U is the separate second event. So starting first, S or M, I've already got my M highlighted, and then I've got 2 S's to pick from. So that's 3 tiles out of 8 total. And telling me I need to be doing multiplication. The U, there's only 1 U, so that's 1 U out of how many tiles total? 7. Now, if anyone thought it might be 5 because of the 3 on top, you're not alone in that. That is a very common thing. But even though the probability of getting an S or an M is 3/8, that doesn't mean I'm picking 3 tiles. I'm still only picking 1 tile per round. So even though I have a 3/8 chance, out of those 3 tiles that are S's or M's, I'm only taking 1 of them out. So we're still only subtracting that denominator by 1 there. Final answer, 356. So